Good morning all. In today's class we are going to do pranayama, 7 pranayamas, and in these pranayamas you should do it in a relaxed mode and peacefully. So for this caution is before pranayama half an hour and after pranayama half an hour you can take any liquid or solid, but take a gap of half an hour. Remember, half an hour gap before pranayama and after pranayama also. Clear? Do it in the open area only, because this is pranayama where we are doing for our breathing, oxygen, inhale and exhale we are doing. So for the fresh air, when we do it in the fresh air, we'll feel more relaxed. Clear? So we'll be back on 26th of this month. So thank you. Stay safe, stay home. Let's start with 3 Omkara. Inhale deeply, close your eyes. To the back straight. Keep your hands in Chin Mudra. Inhale deeply, fast strong. You want to open your eyes. Feel the vibrations of Omkara in your whole body for a few seconds. Now slowly rub your palms. Make a cup shape and keep in front of your eyes. Open your eyes and you'll see your palms. We'll go for the first practice, KapalaBhati. Keep your hands in Chin Mudra both. Your index finger and thumb finger should point out each other, and remaining 3 fingers should be in a straight line. You say super, like the same. Keep it on your knees. This back surface should come on your knee, and your elbow should be relaxed on your thigh. Like the same both sides. And your back should be completely straight, neck straight. Don't bend like this or like this or like this. Don't do it. Just keep your back straight and keep your neck straight. Let's start with the practice of KapalaBhati. While inhaling, you will inhale completely. While exhaling, you will break your breath into parts, and while every exhale, you should flap your stomach up and down, front and back, like this. See. Clear? For your convenience, I have kept my hands here, but you should not keep your hands here. You should keep your hands in Chin Mudra only. Let's go for the practice. Gently after the practice, relax for a few seconds, that is up to 15 to 20 seconds. Relax, close your eyes and just observe your breath. Observe your breath, how it is going and how it is coming out. This is 1 round of KapalaBhati. Like this you should do for 3 rounds. After 3 rounds of KapalaBhati, we'll go for the next practice, that is Bhastarika. Bhastarika. So don't get confused. KapalaBhati is only forceful exhalation. Bhastarika is forceful inhalation and exhalation both. So for the practice, first keep your hands free. No need of any mudra. Just keep your hands free on your thighs, on your knees. Now while inhaling, raise your hands freely, open hands. While exhaling, hold the air up, pull it down. Inhale up. Relax. Like this you should do for the 10 rounds of practice Bhastarika. For every round, 1 round consists of 1 inhale and 1 exhale. Clear? 1 inhale and 1 exhale is 1 round. Like this 10 rounds you should do it. For every movement of hands, you should freely hold. While going up, freely hands, and while coming down, pull the air down with a closed fist. Clear? Now next practice. After this practice also, take 15 to 20 seconds relaxation and observe your breath, how slowly your breath is going and how slowly it is coming. Try to slow down your breath. After practice of Bhastarika, your breath will be fast. So try to slow it down and then go for the next practice, that is Vibhaga Pranayama. Vibhaga Pranayama. The name suggests it's a Vibhaga, parts. We'll go for 3 parts, that is stomach, chest and shoulder. In the last, all 3 together. So now first in Chin Mudra. I said already for the KapalaBhati, the same Chin Mudra will come here. For the first one, that is for the stomach. In the first time practice, if you want for the sensation of your stomach, you can keep your hand on the stomach and right hand in the Chin Mudra. Left hand on the stomach. While inhaling, raise the stomach up. Exhale inside. Only stomach should be moving. No chest, no shoulders. Only stomach. Like this, 9 rounds of practice should be done. 1 round, 1 inhale and 1 exhale is 1 round. Don't get confused. 1 inhale and 1 exhale is 1 round. Like this, 9 rounds you should do it. After few rounds of practice, few days of practice, take out the hand, don't keep it. Without the hand movements only, absorb your breath of your stomach. So next practice in the Vibhaga Pranayama, next part is chest. For this, you'll keep Chinmay Mudra, that is the 3 fingers which is straight, it should come down and touch your palm, down palm. And this index finger and thumb finger should be in the touching position only. You should not remove. It should be in the touching position only. The tip of the index finger and thumb finger should touch each other. For the first practice days, you can keep your chest level on the left hand on the chest level, and you can feel the sensation of taking inhalation and exhalation. How it is coming up while inhaling and how it is going down while exhaling. So keep it up. Close your eyes. For every pranayama practice, you should close your eyes only. You should not open your eyes at all. Closing eyes and doing internally seeing, internal relaxation. Inhale up, exhale down. After 9 rounds of practice, relax and we'll go for the next practice in the next part, that is shoulders. For the shoulders, Adi Mudra. Thumb finger should touch down of the little finger and remaining 4 fingers should close it. Fist closing. And these 4 fingers should be on the top towards the sky. Elbows relax. Now shoulders, only shoulders should move. No chest and no stomach. Upper chest can be moved because the shoulders move. When the shoulders moves, chest also, upper chest also moves, but not middle and lower and abdomen. That is stomach. Clear? It should not be moved. And one more thing, in shoulder movements, you should not tight your shoulders like this while inhaling. And while exhaling, don't do this full tight. Just free movements, that's all. While inhaling up, exhaling down. With the free movements, don't do with tight movements like this or like this. Don't do it. Just freely going and freely coming. Clear? Now next, last in the practice of Vibhaga Pranayama, that is Brahma Mudra. Your Adi Mudra twist is there, no? The 4 fingers should touch each other. They should come on the top and keep in front of the abdomen, belly. and all three together. But here your inhalation and exhalation should be divided into three parts. In the first part it will go to the abdomen, that is stomach. The second part chest, third part shoulders up. Clear? Now see me how I'll do it. While inhaling, stomach up, chest up, shoulders up, and the same while exhaling also, stomach long, stomach down, chest down, shoulders down. Clear? After 9 rounds of practice of sectional breathing, all three parts, relax. Keep your hands freely on the knees and relax for 15 to 20 seconds. Now next practice, NADI SHODANA. This we have done in the previous video also. I am showing again. In your left hand, in your chin mudra only. If you are right-handed, left hand chin mudra. If you are left-handed, right hand chin mudra. So I am right-handed, that's why I am keeping in my hand, right hand, Nasika mudra. Index finger and big finger down, remaining 3 fingers straight. Close the right nostril with your thumb finger and exhale through your left nostril completely. Hold on a second and inhale through left with the 2 fingers, that is ring finger and little finger. Close the left nostril, exhale to right. Hold on a second, inhale to right. Close with your thumb finger, exhale to left. This is 1 round. Like this, 9 rounds of practice of NADI SHODANA daily. After the Vibhaga Pranayama. Clear? Now next practice, Brahmani. For this, close your thumb fingers. With your thumb finger, close your ears. Index finger on the top of the eyebrows. Ring finger on the nose, on the top of the nose. Ring finger on the top of the lips. And little finger on the down of the lips. Now, fold your tongue and touch the upper palate. Close the lips completely and while inhaling, inhale completely, exhaling, chant Makara. Like this for the 9 rounds you should practice. After 9 rounds of practice, 15 to 20 seconds relaxation, and we'll go for the next practice, that is NAADHANU SANDHANA. This is Akara, Ukara, Makara and Auma chantings. It's only chantings. For this, we'll keep your hands in Chin Mudra for the completely. For the complete practice of from here, we'll keep your hands in Chin Mudra only. When each mantra will chant 3 rounds. Akara 3 rounds, Ukara 3 rounds, Makara 3 rounds, Auma 3 rounds. So we'll start with Akara. While inhaling completely, inhale. While exhaling, chant like this, 3 rounds of Akara. After Akara, relax for 10 seconds, only 10 seconds. We'll go for next round. When we chant Akara, we'll feel the vibration in the lower part. That is from your bottom of your hip part, in your legs and your toes. Now Ukara. Like this we'll chant Ukara. This will come from the neck to stomach region, including hands and shoulders, elbows, everything. We'll feel the vibrations after the Ukara in the middle part. Clear? Now last Makara. Inhale deeply. No need of holding your tongue and touching the upper palate. You can feel it relaxed, but close your lips, that's all. No, you should not open your lips. Your Makara vibrations will come in the head part, including brain, in your facial parts also. You'll feel the vibrations. Now all together, A-U-Ma together, but here you should remember a thing that Akara, Ukara, Makara, you should divide the breath into 1:2:3 ratio. Akara should be less, Ukara should be little more, Makara should be more. Clear? Akara less, Ukara little more, Makara more. Like this, in the 3 parts. Like this completely. This, after this, A-U-Ma, all 3 together, you feel the vibration in the whole body. And you feel relaxation. Each mantra you should chant for 3 rounds. Akara 3 rounds, Ukara 3 rounds, Makara 3 rounds, and A-U-Ma 3 rounds. Clear? Now last practice of the pranayama, that is OMKARA chanting. 9 rounds of OMKARA chanting. After 9 rounds of Omkara chanting, you'll relax for 10 seconds, feel the vibrations in your whole body and your breath, observe your breath, see how it is going and how it is coming, and relax. The last, we'll end the session with 1 Omkara 3 Shanti, adopt Namaskara Mudra. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your palms completely, fastly, rapidly. Make a cup shape and keep in front of your eyes. Open your eyes and see your palms. Thank you.